competitive it was, and in round 4 and also round 5 they are scheduled to be played today. But in yesterday's action, it was all about Team Kenya, the Stormy Knights. The Stormy Knights had an impressive outing, and they were able to drop only 1 match point and holding on to 9 game points to be able to take the victory in the action of day 1. So today, quite impressively, we will see if the chess action will continue and the Kenyans will be able to star. But in yesterday's action, this is what transpired, and today's action, plenty is still expected to happen.
I see myself as at least an international master or a GM, and also a coach training young children so that they can get interested in chess.
And my expectations for next year's Chess Olympiad is to become better and also to be one of the first Kenyan grandmasters in this country.
The winning team of this Zone 4.4, they get a travel grant to the World Chess Olympiad in 2020. This grant is